Exercise 1. Diminished seventh and half-diminished seventh chords. Listen to the diminished seventh chord and half-diminished seventh chords in root position and then in first, second, and third inversions. Each exercise will be played twice using both hands. Write whether the chord in each example is a diminished seventh chord or half-diminished seventh chord. Now this is the sound of a diminished seventh chord. In root position, in first inversion, in second inversion, in third inversion. Now listen to the sound of a half-diminished seventh chord. In root position, in first inversion, in second inversion, and in third inversion. Now listen to the following exercises. Exercise 1A. Exercise 1B. Exercise 1C. Exercise 1D. Exercise 1E. Exercise 1F. Exercise 1G. Exercise 1H. Exercise 1I. Exercise 1J. Exercise 2. Augmented major seventh and augmented dominant seventh chords. Listen to the augmented major seventh chord and augmented dominant seventh chord in root position and then in first, second, and third inversions. Each exercise will be played twice. Write whether the chord in each example is an augmented major seventh chord or augmented dominant seventh chord. Exercise 2A. Now this is the sound of augmented major seventh chord. In root position, in first inversion, in second inversion, in third inversion. Now listen to the sound of augmented dominant seventh chord. In root position, in first inversion, in second inversion, and in third inversion. Now listen to the following exercises. Exercise 2A. Exercise 2B. Exercise 2C. Exercise 2D. Exercise 2E. Exercise 2F. Exercise 2G. Exercise 2H. Exercise 2I. Exercise 2J.